waveform generated. First one, this sine wave generated by an sinusoidal oscillator, it can be voltage or current, but mostly we represent voltage as a function of time. It can also be current. Some oscillators also produce AC current, so that can also be denoted. And the relaxation oscillator is going to be an oscillator which is going to produce square wave. So it has on time and off time. The square wave need not have positive and negative. It can have positive and zero also. Okay, so that is also a square wave only. And such square wave oscillators have given another name called as relaxation oscillators. Relaxation means the oscillators will have more off time and they will be on only for a very short period of time. So they are also called as relaxation oscillators. Okay. And there are numerous other classifications of oscillators we have. Based on the mechanism, we have seen two mechanisms of generating oscillations are there. One is negative resistance oscillators. See, certain semiconductor devices have negative resistance characteristics, or they have a ability caused to your device will generate oscillations. Okay, so any instability which is going to be caused to the device in the negative resistance region will generate oscillations in the device. So one way of generating oscillation is negative resistance, using the negative resistance property of your semiconductor device. And second one, positive feedback. So when you add a feedback signal which is in phase with your incoming signal, that is positive feedback, so which will make your gain increase till infinity, thereby making your amplifier unstable and it starts oscillating. So two predominant mechanisms for generating oscillations. One is negative resistance and second one is positive feedback. So based on the type of circuit for sine wave oscillators, you have LC and RC. So LC oscillators use tank circuit or tuned circuit made up of L parallel to C. And RC circuits, they replace this L with resistance because of the size. And depending on the frequency in with of the waveform what they generate, we have different types of oscillators. One is audio frequency up to 20K, radio frequency up to 30 megahertz, very high frequency up to 300 M, ultra high frequency up to 3G, 3 gigahertz, and all oscillators above 3 gigahertz will generate waveforms are called as microwave oscillators. So depending on the frequency of oscillation, you can classify them in one among the five categories: audio frequency, radio frequency, very high, ultra high, and microwave oscillators.